Ever wondered what makes Seychelles a paradise on Earth? Picture an archipelago nestled in the warm, azure waters of the Indian Ocean. This is Seychelles, a collection of 115 islands, each a pearl in a necklace of natural beauty. Seychelles is renowned worldwide for its breathtaking beaches, where white sands meet crystal-clear waters under the watchful gaze of lush, tropical greenery. But Seychelles isn't just about the beaches. It's a haven of rich biodiversity, home to unique species that can't be found anywhere else in the world. And let's not forget its vibrant culture, a melting pot of influences that has shaped the island's history and lifestyle. Seychelles is a paradise, not just because of its physical beauty, but also for its spirit, a testament to the harmony between humans and nature. So, are you ready? Let's delve into the heart of Seychelles and explore its stunning beaches. Imagine this, you're walking barefoot on the powdery white sand of Anse d'Argent. Anse d'Argent is not just a beach, it's a breathtaking canvas painted by nature itself. The beach is nestled on the island of La Digue, one of the many pearls of Seychelles. It's a paradise that brings together the beauty of the sky, the sea, and the sand in a seamless harmony. The sand here is not just white, it's powdery, almost like flour. It's so soft that with every step you take, your feet sink into it, leaving behind a unique imprint, a memory of your visit to this heavenly beach. The beach is adorned with unique granite rock formations, shaped and smoothed over millennia by the relentless waves of the Indian Ocean. These rocks, scattered across the beach, are like nature's own sculptures, adding a touch of raw and rugged beauty to the otherwise serene scenery. As you walk further, the crystal-clear waters of the sea beckon you. The water here is so clear that you can see your own reflection. It's like a giant mirror, reflecting the beauty of the world around it. As you dip your toes in the water, you can feel the coolness seeping in, washing away your worries, leaving you refreshed and rejuvenated. But that's not all. Beneath the surface of these clear waters is a world teeming with life. A rich marine ecosystem calls this beach home. As you snorkel, you can see colorful corals, playful fishes, and if you're lucky, you might even spot a sea turtle gliding gracefully. The beach is not just about the sand and the sea. It's about the life it nurtures, the memories it creates, and the tranquility it offers. It's a place that lets you escape the rush of the world and lose yourself in the beauty of nature. Every sunset here paints the sky in hues of orange and purple, leaving you mesmerized, making you realize how beautiful the world can be. And as the day ends, the sound of the waves lulls you into a peaceful slumber as the stars take their place in the sky. Anse d'Argent, a place where time seems to stand still. Welcome to Anse Lazio, a beach that's often dubbed as the best in the world. Imagine a place where the turquoise sea laps gently on the finest white sands, a place where the air is filled with the scent of the sea and the rustle of the takamaca trees. This is Anse Lazio, one of the most beautiful beaches on the planet, nestled on the northwestern tip of Pristine Island in Seychelles. The allure of Anse Lazio is undeniable. It's an idyllic haven where the water is a clear, vibrant blue, so transparent that you can see the marine life dancing beneath the surface. The beach itself is a stretch of pristine white sand so fine and soft it feels like powdered sugar beneath your feet. The backdrop is a lush green forest, creating a stunning contrast of colors that will make you feel like you've stepped into a postcard. But Anse Lazio is more than just a pretty face. It's a destination that appeals to both thrill seekers and peace lovers alike. For those with an adventurous spirit, there's a world of excitement waiting beneath the water's surface. Snorkeling here is a dream, with coral reefs teeming with colorful fish, and if you're lucky, you might even spot a hawksbill turtle. For those who prefer to stay on land, there's plenty of beach to explore, or simply lay back and lose yourself in the rhythm of the waves. For those seeking a tranquil retreat, Anse Lazio is the perfect escape. Far from the hustle and bustle of city life, it's a place where you can unwind, recharge, and reconnect with nature. The beach is often quiet, especially during the weekdays, making it the perfect place to enjoy a peaceful swim or a leisurely walk along the shore. Perhaps it's the combination of natural beauty, adventure, and tranquility that makes Anse Lazio so enchanting. Or maybe it's the way this beach embodies the spirit of Seychelles, a paradise where nature's beauty is preserved and life moves at a slower pace. Anse Lazio, a beach that truly captures the essence of Seychelles. Beau-Vallon, the most popular beach in Seychelles, is a bustling hub of activities. With its charm that is as captivating as a siren's song, this lively beach is a favorite among locals and tourists alike. As we dip our toes into the warm, crystalline waters of Beau-Vallon, we find ourselves immersed in a vibrant tableau that is as diverse as it is enchanting. There's a certain magic to Beau-Vallon. It's a place where the rhythm of the waves matches the beat of your heart, where the golden sands hold stories of countless sun-soaked days, and where the whispering winds carry tales from far-off lands. This is a beach that is more than just a stunning landscape. It's a living, breathing embodiment of the Seychellois spirit. The local scene at Beau-Vallon is nothing short of vivacious. The air is filled with the scent of Creole cuisine, the vibrant sounds of Seychellois music, and the laughter of children playing under the shade of takamaka trees. The market stalls are a tapestry of colors, selling everything from fresh fruits to handcrafted souvenirs, each item a testament to the rich culture and heritage of Seychelles. As for water sports, Beau-Vallon is a veritable playground. Whether you're a seasoned diver exploring the coral reefs, a surfer riding the waves, or a newbie trying out water skiing for the first time, the beach has something for everyone. And if you're not much of an adrenaline junkie, you can always opt for a leisurely sail on a traditional Seychellois boat, basking in the warm glow of the sun. As the day draws to a close, Beau-Vallon presents a spectacle that is nothing short of breathtaking. The horizon is set ablaze with hues of orange and purple as the sun bids farewell to another day. It's a sight that paints the sky, a tableau that captivates the heart, and a moment that reminds us of the fleeting beauty of our existence. Beau-Vallon, where the heart of Seychelles beats. For those seeking solitude, Petite Anse offers a haven of tranquility. Welcome to Petite Anse, a secluded paradise nestled in the heart of Seychelles. Unlike its bustling counterparts, this beach is a sanctuary of serenity, a retreat for those who crave a little solitude in the lap of nature. Its untouched beauty is a testament to Seychelles' commitment to conserving its natural treasures. Picture a canvas where the azure sky meets the turquoise sea, where tall, verdant palm trees sway gently in the rhythm of the ocean breeze, and where the only footprints you'll see will probably be your own. That's Petite Anse for you. It's a place where time seems to stand still, allowing you to soak in the moment, to breathe in the salty sea air, and to let your worries wash away with the ebbing tide. The allure of Petite Anse lies not only in its scenic beauty, but also in its tranquility. It's a place that invites introspection, a place where the only sound you'll hear is the gentle lapping of waves against the sandy shore, the rustle of leaves, and the occasional call of a distant bird. Here, you can lay back on the warm sand, read a book, meditate, or simply close your eyes and let the world fade away. But Petite Anse is not just about relaxation. For the adventurous, it offers opportunities for snorkeling and exploring the vibrant marine life in the crystal-clear waters. And as the sun sets, painting the sky in hues of pink and orange, Petite Anse transforms into a romantic escape, offering the perfect setting for a quiet evening under the stars. Petite Anse is more than just a beach. It's a refuge, a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life and reconnect with yourself and nature. It's a destination that offers peace and solitude in abundance. Petite Anse, a hidden gem in the Seychelles crown. Seychelles, with its stunning beaches, is truly a paradise on earth. Our journey today took us through the mesmerizing landscapes of Seychelles, each beach offering a unique experience. Anse Source d'Argent, the picture-perfect beach, is a canvas of radiant hues, while Anse Lazio, the beach of a lifetime, wraps you in its timeless beauty. We felt the pulse of Seychelles at Beau-Vallon, the lively beach, and discovered tranquil solitude at Petite Anse, the secluded beach. Each of these beaches, in their own way, captures the essence of Seychelles. From the turquoise waters to the powdery sands, from the vibrant local life to the serene isolation, Seychelles is a symphony of diverse experiences. It's a place where you can bask in the sun, dive into the clear waters, engage with the locals, or simply lose yourself in the untouched beauty. It's a place that stays with you, long after you've left its shores. Experience Seychelles, where every beach tells a unique story. To book all your travel, please click the link to my website located in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. Thanks for watching.